How to install WhatsApp. Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install WhatsApp on your phone. There are two ways to install WhatsApp on your phone. The first one is very simple, using the Google Play Store, and the other one is different method if your Google Play Store is not working. Firstly, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Type and search for WhatsApp. You will see an install button, just tap on it to install WhatsApp on your phone. And if you are unable to do that in any way, you just have to open any browser and type and search for WhatsApp APK. Now open the official website of WhatsApp. Tap to download the APK file. You just have to tap on this little arrow icon. Within a few seconds, the WhatsApp APK will start downloading. Wait a few seconds here. The time will vary depending on internet speed. Alright, when the download is complete, tap on it and tap on install. That's it. This way you can install WhatsApp on your phone. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.